Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be taking a look at some new jewelry from Jeulia. This is a jewelry company that I've unboxed several times before on the channel. I love their jewelry because it's a little bit different. Like for example, this ring that I'm wearing here today is from Jeulia. It's just fun and cute and they have all of these different characters. So this is one of the reasons why I love this brand is because they have really fun, unique pieces. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some of their new items. So before we get into the jewelry, and I'm going to show you all of the pieces today, I have to tell you something that I think is just adorable and it's just one of the cutest things. So Jeulia reached out and said, hey, we have some new jewelry. Would you be interested in taking a look at it? And I was like, yes, of course. I already approve of the brand. I love the product. So sure, let's do this. So they reached out to me in December and they said, well, we noticed you're doing a lot of advent calendar unboxings, which at that time I definitely was. So Jeulia actually took the time to build me an advent calendar with all of their jewelry pieces. I mean, how cute is that, you guys? So today what I'm going to show you is this adorable little collection. This is going to feature all of the jewelry that they wanted to showcase today. However, it's not actually an advent calendar for sale. They just put it in an advent calendar form just for me to unbox it. I mean, how stinking cute is that, you guys? They watched the channel, knew I loved advents, and said, well, here, we made it a little extra special for you. I mean, it was just one of the best things, you guys. So for this unboxing today, although it looks like an advent calendar, it is not for sale like this. You are able to purchase each of these jewelry items individually though on their website. So I will be posting down below a link for each of these jewelry pieces. They additionally did send over a 15% off discount code as well. So I'll be posting that down below if you guys want to save some money as well. So if you guys decide to order anything from Jeulia, your jewelry will come in a box that looks like this. And this is just going to be their standard shipping box. If you want to dress it up, they also have gift boxes available as well. And you can add that on to your order. And essentially they're just going to wrap it up here with a cute little bow. And that way it is giftable that way. Now included in this box, when you place your order, you'll find that all of your jewelry will be individually packaged inside of their jewelry boxes. So they do a great job of presentation, keeping everything secure in here. But along with that, you're also going to receive a gift bag inside of your box. So if you decide to gift any of these pieces to somebody else, they're going to include all of this for you. That way you're prepared for that. So even if you don't order this gift box, you'll still receive the gift bag inside of your order. Now you guys can purchase down below, like I said, you can customize your sizes. They also offer engravings as well. There is an additional fee for that, which makes sense. But if you want to have something engraved or personalized, I know right now it's wedding season. That's also an option that they do have those services available. All right, let's get into this jewelry calendar today. So we're going to start with day number 1 up here. I'm so excited that they did this, you guys. I mean, what a nice surprise. So in this first day, I have in here a bracelet. This looks like planets. So this is a gold bracelet and it has all sorts of different pendants, but it's designed to give you a planet vibe as if you were looking up at the sky. So first off, you can see that there's actually going to be all different stones. They've got a cute little star charm, and then we've got another planet over here. And then even on the end of the link, you're going to have a little bead as well. Oh, and they're hearts. Look at that. So the actual chain is hearts. Oh my gosh, I love that. So what's great about this is you can adjust it to any length that you're going to need because each of those hearts can work as a link. But then all of these beads in here, these actually spin. So there are little balls in here that will rotate. So for myself, and I've talked about this before, I love to play with my jewelry. Typically I'll go for a necklace that's like really smooth. That way I can rub it throughout the day. It's like a calming technique. And I don't know, I just love doing that. I feel like this would work just as well because these beads are very smooth, but they also move. So if you wanted something you know, for anxiety even, or just something to kind of calm the nerves when you're out and about, you would have something that could kind of, you know, calm it down a little bit. Moving on to day number 2 now in my little calendar. Inside of this one, oh, we have butterfly wings. What is this? I know it's a butterfly wing though. I mean, oh wait, you guys have a sticker, but this is what I see when I open it up. So I mean, that's obvious. Like I know for sure there's a wing here, but I'm not quite sure what this is. Is it a pin? I think it's a pin. So cute. So this is what it looks like on the back side here. So this is definitely a pin or a brooch. And on the front, we're gonna have these gorgeous wings, and then you're gonna see these different crystals. So cute. I love. Do you see how glitzy those wings are? Oh my gosh, in the sunlight, they're gonna be absolutely beautiful. Even the backing on the pin has a heart. Look at this. Right here on the side. So this is just the bar where you put the pin in at. And this is in the shape of a heart. Oh my goodness. The attention to detail is just awesome. So I'm going to move on to day number 3. Inside of my next drawer, we have a necklace in here. So we have a gorgeous half sun. So this is what the pendant will look like here. So beautiful gold chain link necklace, and then we've got this gold pendant on the front. You can see all of those different crystals in there once again, and there's crystals even on those rays. Now it's only on one side, so I'm not sure. I mean, I assume this is supposed to be a sun. Maybe it's representing like a flower of some sort. I mean, I could see a sunflower even, but you know, sun, sunflower, they're close. So this one is actually sterling silver. So it is stamped up at the top with the 925 stamp. They do have some pieces that are actually gold. They have some that are gold plated. They have sterling silver available. So lots of different materials will be available on the website. You guys can always look at whatever piece you click on. It will give you options of what you would like it to be made out of, and then they'll customize it for you. So this particular necklace that they sent over, it is sterling silver, and then they use the gold plating on here. If it's going to be sterling silver, it will be on a little round tag near the end of the clasp, and it will be stamped with that 925 stamp. So this is what it will look like here. There's not really an extender on this particular necklace. It's cute. I like this one. I like it more than I thought I was gonna like it. All right, I just had to put that on real quick, you guys, because it's so cute. And I do feel like it's simple, that it's not too distracting, but it does add a little bit of interest and it looks really fancy. So yeah, you know what? So far, really liking these new pieces. The next item inside of my little calendar is a ring. Now, this is a new ring that they have on their website. This one is gorgeous. So it is a gold ring that has crystal accents here at the center. This is beautiful, you guys. So first off, it's not too large, which I really like. This one I feel like is actually a very small band, and it's very thin. So if you don't like anything that's too tight or too large, I feel like this will be perfect for that. By the way, this flamingo ring is the other one from Jeulia. I think this was the very first ring that I ever got from them, and it still looks amazing, you guys. Like, you can still tell that it is a flamingo. Look at his cute little beak. So I just love this ring. It's one of my favorite rings ever, but this is very pretty. So the 5th piece of jewelry that I have in here is a necklace, I believe. Oh, this is a moon. I wonder if it goes with this necklace, you guys. I wonder if it's the other side. I thought that was interesting that it was only a half sun. I think I get it, you guys. So this one is a silver chain length necklace, and it has a moon on it with crystals surrounding it. Look at that. I bet that goes to the other side of the sun. I love that they added stars all the way around that. I mean, just so adorable. So like I said, this is a silver chain necklace. It is also a sterling silver necklace because once again, you're going to have that little tag at the end here, and then it's stamped with the 925. So I'm doing a real quick close up. That way you guys can see, but they are a perfect fit. And see what I mean? Like, even the silver and gold, like, they still look great. Oh, I just love it, you guys. It's so cute. You could even turn these into like friendship necklaces, or I don't know, you could also pair it with like maybe your mom and yourself or whatever, whoever you would like to gift it to, but you could have the two of them, you know what I mean, as different gifts. I just thought of that, you guys. That would be perfect. So in day number 6, we have another ring inside of this little calendar. Ooh. Now this one is very large. So we talked about with the last ring that it was a very simple band and very delicate. If you like a bigger set, they've got you covered because this next one is big. So this ring is a part of their wedding collection and it's going to come with the wedding band as well. So this will be your engagement ring and wedding band all together. Now, like I said, you can upgrade these if you would like to have a nicer material that it's made of. You can do engravings. You can adjust the sizing on here to an exact ring size as well. And then the last thing that you can do to customize these is you can change the stones out. And instead of having like cubic zirconia, you could go with a moissanite ring instead. Again, there's going to be an additional fee for that, but the moissanite rings are so clear and so durable that they're going to last a really long time. So in the case of like a wedding band set, if you want to invest in something, they again will have those options available. So this is what the ring set will look like here. Like I said, they will be 2 separate bands, and then this is what it will look like all as one piece. Beautiful. I mean, you can tell they are clear, lots of glitz. I mean, I don't have fancy lights over here, you guys. Like, it is one basic ring light and it is glitzing all on its own. So it is really beautiful. Now, like I said, this is a larger ring, so it is definitely going to stand up a lot taller, but it's gorgeous. I mean, I do think it's a beautiful set. Very pretty, nice and clear. I do think that's really gorgeous. What I like too is the bands are smooth. I mean, when they go on, you guys, like, it is completely smooth on the interior side. It's very comfortable to wear on here. I just now realized there's actually a band all the way around that stone up there at the top. So not only do you have all of this as glitz, and then obviously your main stone, but then you get this band all the way around the top here too. I mean, I will say, you do notice this ring. Like, I feel like you're gonna see this ring anywhere because it is a showstopper. Last up for today, we have one final piece of jewelry that we're gonna take a look at, and this is a pair of earrings. So as you can see from this brand, they have anything and everything for jewelry. The idea with the pieces they sent over today is to really show you some of the new ones that they have, but also the variety that they carry. I love the characters and the fun little shapes, but I know that's not everybody's cup of tea either. So that is the one nice thing about this brand is they do have a lot for everyone. So no matter what your style is, they've got you covered. So this is a pair of stud earrings that they carry, and this is a gold earring. It looks like a rope design all the way around it. So if you kind of look here, I don't know why, but this is giving me like a braided rope, and then in the center you're gonna have that stone. Now obviously I zoom in a little bit there so that way you can see what the stud looks like, but it is a traditional stud, so it's not gonna be any bigger than what I already have in here. It is cute though. Why is it that sparkly things just look so fancy? I mean, talk about elevating my look. If I put that on instead of the pink earring, like already it looks way more expensive. Now, last I recall, the earrings from Jeulia were all nickel free. So I don't have anything with me today that specifically says that. So I'm still going to encourage you to look at that on the website. So if you are interested in their earrings, you have sensitive ears, just double check that on there. But I just remember in previous unboxings that I've done before, I remembered looking into it at that time and they were nickel free. So I would assume these are going to be safe for sensitive ears. But like I said, I would probably just double check that when you get a chance. So that is everything from Jeulia and all of their new jewelry today. I love that we had so much variety. We have earrings in here, necklaces, bracelets. We've also got a pin as well, which is the first time I've ever seen that. We've got some rings and then all sorts of different collections as well. So if you're looking for something that's really classy, really timeless, maybe you're looking specifically for an engagement ring, they have wedding bands available, or maybe you just want something fun like planets or something along those lines. They have definitely got it. But don't forget, I've also got a coupon code, so that way you guys can save some money off of anything. It's not just these pieces either. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!